What's going on, YouTube? This is my first attempt at a video for you guys for the OnlyFins Reef. I've built this stand out of 2x4. It's 40 inches long, 40 inches wide by 36 inches tall. It's going to be a 40 by 40 by 22, but we're going to have a bit of a gap because we're going to have a bit of a nice wave going on in there. Yeah, so this is the bare bones of a tank stand. So if you can see the amount of screws that are in it, and I'd say even the supports, got 1, 2, and then the 3, 4 supports per side. 2x4, nice and strong. Individuals in between as well. Got a power down there for skimmer, return pump, and any reactors. Got a power up there for our lights, which our second light came today. I've got to do some redecorating. But yeah, the tank is underway. Got the guy coming out to build it soon, so I'll bring you along for that journey as well. But as you can see, there's a little bit of wood there still, and a radiator that's going to be put up on Friday. But yeah, stay tuned.